Hello and welcome back to Easy English Podcast. Today I have something different for you. A short horror story that's simple to understand, but sure to give you a little chill. Let's begin. The story is called The House at the End of the Street. Everyone in the town knew about that house. It was old, broken windows, a garden full of weeds, and always too quiet. People said it was haunted. Some said they heard strange noises at night. Others said they saw a shadow at the window, even though no one lived there. But I didn't believe any of it. So one evening, just before sunset, I decided to go take a look. I told my friend Alex, "Let's just go for fun. Nothing's gonna happen." He didn't want to go, but I convinced him. We walked slowly down the street. The wind was cold, and the trees moved like they were whispering. Finally, we reached the gate. It creaked loudly when we pushed it open. Eek! The front door wasn't locked. "Should we go in?" I asked. Alex said, "I don't think this is a good idea." But I had already stepped inside. The air was cold. Dust everywhere. The floor creaked under our feet. It was dark, except for the light coming from the setting sun. Suddenly, we heard something. Knock, 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 from upstairs. We froze. I whispered, "Did you hear that?" Alex nodded slowly, his eyes wide. We tried to leave, but then the door slammed shut behind us. Bang! We ran to the door, but it wouldn't open. Something was holding it closed. Then, we heard footsteps, coming down the stairs, slowly, one step at a time. Creak, creak, creak. We turned around and saw nothing. No one was there, just the footsteps. I said, "We need to get out." Now. We ran to the back door. It was open. We ran out, not stopping until we were back on the main road. Breathing hard, shaking. We looked at each other. "Let's never do that again," Alex said. I nodded. And from that day on, I never walked past that house again. Useful expressions from this story. I didn't believe any of it. The floor creaked under our feet. We froze. Means we stopped moving, from fear. Something was holding it closed. Let's never do that again. Thanks for listening to this spooky little story. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Podcast for more fun and useful ways to improve your English every day. See you in the next episode, if you're not too scared.